So actually, this is actually a beautiful trade for those who actually took this trade on our USD Swiss franc. We can see we've actually had this air movement. You can watch our previous video when we predicted that for the week our USD against our Swiss franc will actually fall, giving us that air movement around this our area here. We are aiming for our price to close, and guess what? We can see our price has actually fallen to this our area here, which is actually a good move. Now for the week, I am still seeing a fall on our USD. By the way, I'm still seeing a fall, a breakout. That's exactly what I believe will happen. A breakout come here to hit this our key area here that I've just highlighted on our daily time frame. As you can see here, where our price has reacted, this line that I've marked green, you see, you can see it here. I believe our USD for the week again would actually fall to take out this, to hit this low area here. Then we can actually now see a bullish move on our USD Swiss franc for the week. So like I said, now we've actually accomplished our goal we've actually been looking for on our USD Swiss franc. Definitely for the week, we should actually be seeing a fall. Take out this our low here before you can actually start considering going bullish. You can also go and see our video that we've done on our DXY, where we've predicted that our DXY will be falling, by the way. And our USD, if you are to compare it on a correlation pair, our USD, you will see that our USD itself will be falling. So I will not see any difference on our USD Swiss franc, that our USD Swiss franc itself will actually break below, come out, hit this previous support resistance area, then we can actually continue to go bullish. And now on our 4-hour time frame, see the same thing. See a movement we are aiming for, see bearish on our USD Swiss franc. So that is my analysis. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Thank you very much.